everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We are tonight in Clarksdale, Mississippi, staying at a little harvest house. This place is called the Stovall Gin Company. And you know, when I first heard the name, I actually thought it was gin like you drink. I wasn't thinking I'm in the South. Let me turn this camera around. This is, oh look, they even have lights that come on. This place is actually an old cotton gin, which, you know, when I think of cotton gin, I think of like a little machine, or maybe a big machine, but a machine. But they say this place was a cotton gin. Anyway, there's our truck. We're camped here for the night. We're the only ones here. There doesn't seem to be anyone else. Kind of a nice little place. We've got we got 50 amp and 30 amp hookups. There's water. There's a spot for up to 4 campers here. And I guess what this place is nowadays is they say they have monthly, I'm gonna call them parties, but I think they're really, what did they call them? They had a funny name for them. I can't think of what it was called. But anyway, they have a little restaurant that must be open like once a month. Here's this place in here. I walked around in here a little earlier. But here's the scene. We are about, I don't know, 6-8 miles. Oh, and I just noticed there's a whole service over there too. I think this is like 18 or 21 acres. It's not a small place, but anyway, it is a harvest host, so we're staying here tonight. There's not a lot to show you, but this is our spot. This is where we're at tonight, and I don't know how long ago this place was active. I don't know any kind of background on that at all. But this area of the country down in Mississippi is known as the birthplace of the blues. And so I would guess that that's the type of music they play here when they play music here. But this is where we're at tonight. That's about all I got to show you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.